Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to do a quick little video on a custom film for a center console on a Lexus. I'm not exactly sure which one. I could probably look it up, but I'm pretty sure it's a Lexus something. But anyways, irrelevant to the video. So, had a customer, they wanted us to do a forged carbon fiber. So, of course, we don't have a forged carbon fiber that's in a regular hydrographic film. So, what we do, we take and we... I think this is loud.
Truck.
Okay, now the dump truck has passed. So, what do? We custom print a custom film to make it look like a forged carbon. Now, a couple of things to remember. Number one, custom prints are just what they are. They're custom. We can print pretty much anything, not copyrighted or trademarked. So the forged carbon works really good, and it's going to turn out really sweet. Number two, because this is hydrographics, you're not going to get that whole 3D effect like what real carbon fiber will have. And so if you haven't already checked out the other video that we did showing the difference between hydrographic carbon fiber and real carbon fiber. Great little video to show you exactly how it looks from the real to, I guess you'd say, the fake. But anyways, so we've got our shifter plate here. We've got everything base coated. Now you'll notice this is a little bit lighter than our charcoal metallic. So whenever we was looking at it, our charcoal metallic is actually a little bit darker than this. So we wanted a little bit of a lighter metallic, just because with this it'll show up really well, and it'll also give more of a more unique appearance, as well as it'll make everything pop a little bit more. Now on the flip side of that, it will make it darker. So normally with any of our custom films, as y'all probably already know, we always recommend doing a white on the base color. But on this right here, we did a lighter metallic. And so you could have done a silver metallic, you could have done a charcoal metallic, something like that, but we chose probably about a medium of the road metallic for this one right here. So we've got it custom printed and ready to go, so we can go ahead and lay this out right here. So I think this is going to be really nice because a lot of these areas that are lighter, like right in here, right in there, all of this, that's all really going to work really well in letting this base color show through. And the metallic, whenever it hits the light, it'll pop and it'll make it look really nice. So let's go ahead, we'll cut everything to size that we need, we'll get it on the water, and we'll get to dipping. So here we go. All right, so we've got everything cut, we've got everything ready to go. Of course, I've got plenty of room for extra all the way around. I probably don't need this much, but we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna lay it in just like that, and then get this thing activated, get it dipped, and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. So stay tuned, and let's see how this looks on the water. Biggest thing about the custom film is that it always comes with the paper backing, so definitely always make sure to pick an edge just like that right there, hold it down, and then pull it backwards just like that. And so once you pull it back just like that right there, we'll take this last piece, pull that off. So now paper, you can use it as tracing paper, give it to your kids, or you can throw it away, whatever you want to do, but this is pretty much trashing it. And then of course the side that the paper was on right here will go onto the water itself, so we need to flip it back over. All right, so now that we got that, we'll lay this out, set this up, and get it in the water. Now again, with our custom film, all of it is going to be set at 1 minute at 80 to 90 degrees on the water. Now I am going to leave just a little bit of room for expansion, not a lot, but as you can see, this is expanding out just a little bit. And so once I see that expansion going out like that, now I can go ahead and contain the film, drop that other bar in right there, pull my long divider back down, and now we're pretty much ready to go. So let's get some gloves on and then get started with it. All right, so we want to activate it, get everything nice and glassed out. Everything looks good with it. So now we can take this and go at an angle all the way into the water with it. All right, now that we got that, pull that back out. And that is a beautiful forged carbon custom hydrographic dipped piece. That looks really nice. We've got that really nice metallic that pops coming in through here. Looking at a forged part of a carbon, this is pretty much exactly what you would be looking at if you were looking at that. Now again, we could have used white, and we do prefer that on a lot of the custom prints, but to make this definitely pop and to make it one of a kind, using that using that charcoal metallic or that lighter charcoal metallic, like what I was saying, it really makes it give a lot more depth to it, as well as it gives it more of the look that you really want from it. So we're gonna rinse this, get this all rinsed off, touched up, clear coated, show you guys the end result, so stay tuned. All right, so we've got everything all clear coated on this Lexus dash piece, and it came out amazing. I think the customer is definitely going to love it. Couple of things that we've done here, as you were seeing before, we did paint it with a light metallic gray. And so that metallic gray, as you saw, it really made everything pop whenever we dipped it in our forged carbon custom print. And so once we added our clear coat onto it, it made it look very nice, and it looks so good, especially considering it's not really forged carbon, but yet it looks just like forged carbon, or as close as what you're probably going to be getting out of any actual dip film that's out there. Now again, if we would have used a white, it would have been a lot brighter, and I say a little bit more brighter. It wouldn't have had that pop to it, and I'll kind of show you what it'll look like, of course, with the actual light on it, and that way you can kind of see what that metallic actually does whenever you throw the light on it. So let me grab the light real quick. All right, so we got our light. Let's check this thing out. So I'll hold it up right here, that way you can kind of see that, and you can see how that metallic is definitely popping and really standing up. It looks really good, especially whenever the light hits it in certain angles, certain areas, things like that. And it really mimics very well, in my opinion, on how much it looks just like a forged carbon piece. So, like I said, whenever we give this to the customer, I know they're definitely going to love it. We were actually really excited about it here because it does look so realistic. So we're pretty excited about that. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And you know, if you got anything on other ideas or videos that you'd like to see, definitely let us know. We're always up for hearing other things on what you guys want to see, what you guys would like to have as far as videos and things like that. Also, if you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts. We're making hydrographics great again. We'll see you guys next time.